These are the Hamster daily combo cards for today. The first one is shitcoin, the next is influencers, and the last one is meme coins. When you log into your Hamster Kombat, the first two are under market. Scroll down to this place, meme coins and shitcoins. Get this and get this. After that, go to PR and team and look for influencers. This one right here, get it. And after that, take your prize, take your 5 million. Don't forget, I've got videos coming up. Okay, the first of those videos is gonna be a video that's gonna show you how to use a ton-based wallet, how you can send crypto, how you can receive crypto, how you can swap and do some other things on the wallet. If you're a newbie in crypto or you don't understand how these things work and you would want to learn it, make sure you turn on that notification bell, subscribe, and look out for that video. I'm going to be uploading it next. And of course, we are also going to be decoding today's cipher using Morse code. Just make sure you hang around and you will see those videos. Let's go. This is Bricks LBs. This is guy Ken signing off for now.